I'm going to be replacing the mower blades on my Cub Cadet ZT1 with the 54-inch deck. So these blades that I'm going to put on here, the company reached out to me and they asked me to make an installation video for these blades. The company is UPOW. So they sent me these free blades and all I have to do is make this video. So I'm also going to compare these blades with the original blades. They should be the same style, high lift blades that I believe came on this originally. So should be pretty much the same as the ones that are on there. So here is their ad on the Amazon website. It's an OEM compatible replacement, ultra high lift for superior cutting. This is the style that came on the mower originally. Long lasting construction, secure fitment, and it comes with all three blades that you're going to need. As you can see, it fits a lot of different models, and they are heavy duty, sharp cutting, easy to install, and they have corrosion protection. And they've got a whole store that you can visit. So I've jacked up the mower on the front end here, right on the center piece here. I also put blocks behind both the rear wheels so that we don't have any rolling issues. So now we're ready to get under here and start removing these old blades. All right, so this middle bolt here, I've got a 15/16 inch socket for, or I'm sure a 24mm socket will fit on this as well. I'm going to use an impact wrench, but I've done this before with just a regular wrench. You can keep the blade steady by using a crowbar and kind of just stopping it against the crowbar, or you can stick a rod up. There's a space up in here that you can stick something through and hold the blade that way, like that, while you're cranking on this to keep the blade from spinning while you're trying to remove it. But I've got an impact, so I'm going to use that instead. We've got all our blades removed. So here they are. They appear pretty similar. All the indentions are about the same, except for in the middle, this cutout here is not exactly the same, but I'm sure it's gonna fit in there just fine. These fit on more than just the Cub Cadet model. I will leave a link in the description for these. So they look identical other than the centerpiece here. So one last thing before I install these new ones, I want to take the weight of the old one and the new one and see if there's much of a difference. Here I am at my baby scale. It's all zeroed out. Let's take the weight of this old one. 1 pound, 15.5 ounces. Let's try again. 1 pound, 15.5 ounces. All right, it's zeroed out. £2 pounds, 1 ounce. So this one's heavier, which is a good thing because it will help with the momentum when it's spinning to cut through thicker grass. So that's a good thing in my opinion. So let's throw these new ones on. All right, so I'm ready to throw these new blades on. As you can see, they need to be lined up with that little groove thing right there. So we need to line that up. And then they also need to be torqued down to 70 to 90 foot-pounds. So let's get this all lined up. And also make sure it's clear of any debris so that it sits nice and flush. All right, and then we're going to throw our washer and our nut back on. There we go. I've got a fancy torque stick that I'm going to use. I'm going to use the 90-foot one, especially since I've got a little swivel on it as well. I'm not sure if the swivel will affect how much it actually torques it to. And obviously you want to make sure you're mounting these the right way. This is upside down. You want these fins curving up. All right, I've got all those new blades installed. Let's give them a spin once around just to make sure that there's no contact anywhere. And now we're ready to go ahead and lower this and then test them out. Also, these need to be retorqued after the first 5 hours, or I'm sure after one mow is probably fine to just retorque them after that. Looks like they work pretty good. Thanks again to UPOW for sending these blades to me. There will be a link in the description if you want to purchase these. Thanks for watching, and God bless.